This is how to scan to Google Drive directly from the Sharp scanner copiers. Look for the OSA tag. Depending on the model of scanner that you have, it may be in different locations, but somewhere it'll say OSA. We're going to click on that. It's going to connect to the application. Then it's going to ask for my username and password. Click on the username. If you don't like using the keyboard here, simply pull out the keyboard, and I'm going to enter my official Appalachian username. Hit OK. Then I'm going to select password, and this is my normal ASU password. We'll hit OK. Once both of these have been entered, click the OK button. Now it's got three options on this particular scanner. What we want is the scan to Google Drive. Be sure that it says scan to Google Drive. We're going to select that. It'll let me choose a folder. If I select the choose folder option, it'll show me all the different folders within my Google Drive. Selecting this / gray bar here will put it in the root, or I can select an individual folder to put it into. I'll hit OK. If you want to just scan it into your root drive, you don't have to do anything here. I can also pick a file name. I'm going to call this test scan. If you don't pick a file name, it's simply going to put a time date code on it so that you can know which file was being scanned. I'm going to open this, place my copy down, and then push the scan button in the top right corner. Once it scans, you can either end using the read end button, or I can select to make another copy or another scan. I'm going to do this one at 90 degrees to the first one to show you that it'll actually auto adjust the orientation of the scan, so you no longer have those sideways scans. So to select my second scan, I'm going to hit start. This will append these two scans into the same file. Once I'm done that, if I have no other things to scan, then I'm simply going to hit the read end. That will go through and clear data off the scanner and put me back to where I can either scan another document, or if I wish to log out, select the little icon that looks like a person beside your name and say log out, OK, and that clears your data off of the machine and lets the next person come up to it to use it.